As an aspiring graphic designer, learning and applying various design tricks can greatly enhance the visual appeal and effectiveness of your work. Here are some graphic design tricks and tips to consider. Contrast. Use contrast to create visual interest and make elements stand out. Contrast in color, size, shape, or style can draw attention to important elements or messages. Typography. Pay attention to typography. It can make or break a design. Choose fonts that complement each other and align with the overall tone and message of the design. Consider using font variations like bold, italics, and different sizes to add emphasis. White space. Embrace white space or negative space. Leaving areas of the design empty can help create a balanced and uncluttered look, enhancing readability and focus. Grids and alignment. Using grids and aligning elements properly can bring harmony and consistency to your design. It helps establish a sense of order and makes the design more visually appealing. Color psychology. Understand the psychology of colors and use them strategically to evoke specific emotions or associations related to the design's purpose. Visual hierarchy. Arrange elements in a hierarchy to guide the viewer's eyes through the design. Important information should stand out, while secondary elements should take a more subdued role. Rule of thirds. Apply the rule of thirds to create a well-balanced composition. Divide your canvas into 9 equal parts with 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, then place important elements along these lines or their intersections. Use of gradients. Gradients can add depth and dimension to your designs. Experiment with subtle gradients to create a more polished and modern look. Consistency in branding. For projects related to branding or identity, ensure consistent use of colors, fonts, and design elements to create a cohesive and recognizable brand image. Negative space animals. An interesting trick is using negative space creatively to form hidden animal shapes or other symbols within a design. One-point perspective. Implement one-point perspective to create the illusion of depth and draw the viewer's eyes into the design. Symmetry and asymmetry. Experiment with both symmetrical and asymmetrical designs to achieve different visual effects. Symmetry can create a sense of stability, while asymmetry can add dynamism and energy. Visual metaphors. Use visual metaphors to convey complex ideas or messages more effectively. For example, using a light bulb icon to represent an idea. Texture and patterns. Incorporate textures and patterns to add depth and visual interest to your design, especially in backgrounds. Negative and positive space balance. Utilize negative and positive space harmoniously to create intriguing visuals and make your design more engaging. Remember, these tricks are meant to enhance your design skills and creativity. Always stay open to experimentation and keep up with current design trends to continuously improve your work. Happy designing!